Public transportation hub, Taksim Square is a major transportation hub in Istanbul. The Taksim metro station connects various parts of the city, making it an easy starting point for tourists exploring Istanbul. The nostalgic tram that runs along Istiklal Street is also a popular attraction. Accommodation options. The area around Taksim offers a wide range of accommodation options, from luxurious 5-star hotels to budget-friendly hostels. This makes it a convenient base for tourists looking to explore the city. Proximity to attractions. Taksim's central location makes it a great starting point for exploring other major attractions in Istanbul, such as the Galata Tower, Dolmabahce Palace, and the Bosphorus waterfront. Historical architecture. Istiklal Street is lined with beautiful 19th and early 20th century buildings, showcasing a mix of neoclassical, neo-Gothic, Renaissance Revival, and Art Nouveau styles. Many of these buildings have been restored and house art galleries, bookstores, cinemas, cafes, and restaurants. Hidden passages. There are numerous hidden passages along Istiklal Street, such as Sisik Passagi, Flower Passage, and Hazapulo Passage, which offer unique shopping and dining experiences. These passages often have charming cafes, antique shops, and boutique stores. Galatasaray High School, one of the oldest and most prestigious schools in Turkey, Galatasaray High School, is located on Istiklal Street. Established in 1481, the school has a rich history and adds to the cultural significance of the area. Diverse religious sites, Istiklal Street is home to several places of worship from different religions, including the St. Anthony of Padua Church, the largest Catholic church in Istanbul, the Greek Orthodox Church of Hagia Triada, and several historic mosques. This diversity reflects Istanbul's multicultural heritage. If you like our videos and content and want them to come more, please subscribe to our channel. Also comment and like our videos. Thank you in advance.